Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to change your username on Twitch in 2025. Whether you're a streamer looking to rebrand or just want a fresh new handle, this guide will get you sorted in no time. Twitch has made this process pretty straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't miss a beat. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Twitch account. Head over to twitch.tv and sign in with your current credentials. Once you're in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. It's usually a circle with your avatar. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account dashboard. Now, in the Settings menu, navigate to the Profile tab. Here, you'll see your current username displayed. Look for an Edit or Change Username button. Twitch might have updated their interface slightly by 2025, but it should be easy to spot. Type in your new username ID and hit the Check Availability option to see if it's free. If someone else has it, you'll need to get creative and try another one. Once you've found an available name, confirm the change. Twitch may ask you to verify via email or two-factor authentication for security reasons, so keep an eye on your inbox. After that's done, log out of your account and log back in to make sure the update takes effect everywhere. A few quick tips. Remember, Twitch limits how often you can change your username, usually once every 60 days, so plan ahead. Also, choose something unique and brand-friendly to stand out in the community. And that's it, you've successfully updated your Twitch username. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.